First impressions, yep, very moves fast in flat water for sure. The nose is so narrow. Takes no effort to move it in flat. Absolutely nothing. Swell's coming on the armor. Yep. Come on, very light. Wants to flip me over. Let's faster on this side. They take tourists. Underwater through the reefs. See how sticky the water is? Okay, let me tell you what I think about the boat. It's very understandable that it is a flat water boat. It's got such a long water line. It's very fast in a straight line as predicted, and it's really good for going upwind against the swell, against the current, because that nose makes it so through anything against you. And I like it. I mean, if you're a fitness paddler, you can hammer through everything. And if you try to use it in surf, which is not what this is for, you have to be a really good surfer, because you can feel the whole length of the boat. You can really, not like the RS, where when you drop in on a bump and you do it correctly, as the swell rolls, it really carries you. This one, because the nose is such a square nose, you drop in on it, you're gonna stuck in that direction. You cannot wait, you cannot swivel within the curve of the swell going while you're quartering it. So that's the only thing. But I mean, this boat's not meant for surfing, but I can see why it'd be great for dragon boaters who want to train for fitness. They're racing time trials in a straight line. That makes sense. Either side doesn't matter. But I think if you are trying to go fast, you still need an upfront high cadence stroke for sprinting. You may take 3 big digs to lift the boat and get going, but once you lift it, you kind of have to keep the momentum up and tap it. A long backward stroke will tend to dunk the nose. Even though it has a massive long tail and it calls for a long travel stroke, which you do want to have a long travel stroke, but I think that if you are doing anything more than a 500 meter, 1000 meter, 1500 meter sprint, you're gonna find that to be counterproductive, because you don't want to bounce the nose. So you have to be pretty light touch and high cadence, but you still need to put some power in with your body rather than just arming it. So this, I've just had it only for half an hour, 50 minutes in and 50 minutes out, and I didn't really have a chance to try in flat water or surf. I really wanted to just throw the paradigm out and run it in the surf, big surf and see how it goes and see how it gets stuck. But even in small ones, I can feel how it holds you and it doesn't let you do this thing. The little micro adjustments that's so comfortable in the RS or even the Volare. And that's why I think after the first try. Thank you. Feel better to keep it up front. Once you get it going, it's running up speed. Tap it. And that's the sunset. Look. It's a flat day today.